Okay, now will be hope you have completed exercise 2 up to question number 4. Now we'll be moving to question number 5. Question number 5 bit 2. So it is given 5 bit 2 will be doing. In the question it is given 2 to power minus 1 into 4 to power minus 2 divided by 2 to power minus 3. So it is given. This question is given to us. Now how to approach this question? This question we can write it as we are able to see that minus power is given. We can take inside the bracket only, we can take it to denominator. 2 to power minus 1 will become 2 to power 1, which is 2. And this is 4 square divided by, means we have to take 2 to power minus 3 in denominator. And this can be written as 2 to power 4 square is 16. 4 into 4 is 16. So we can write it as 16 into 2 is 32. And this 2 to power minus 3, when will be going to numerator, it will become plus. So it will become 2 to power 3. So this is 8 by 32, which is equal to 1 by 4. Here this is the main division sign, so this we are taking directly to numerator, so it is becoming plus 2 to power 3, and this is becoming the part of denominator. That's why it is part of denominator, means we have to multiply directly and it is coming in denominator. So it is 2 to into 4 square, which is equal to 2 to power which is equal to 32, and this 8 by 32 is 1 by 4. Now we will be doing question number 5 bit 3. Okay, 5 bit 3. 5 bit 3, it is given 2 to power minus 1, 4 to power minus 1, 6 to power minus 1, which is divided by 3 to power minus 2. First of all, we will be calculating this part. This can be written as 1 by 2. Again, this is 1 by 4, and this is again 1 by 6. Divided by, let's leave it like this only, 3 by 2 to power minus 2. First we will be dealing with this part. First we will be solving this part, then we can take 2, 4 and 6. We can take as LCM of 2, 4 and 6. So it is coming out to 2, 1, 2 and 3, which is coming out to be 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. LCM is 12. And again we can write it as, this is 6, this is minus 3 and this is minus 2, divided by 3 by 2 to power minus 2. Okay. Now this is 6 minus 5 is 1 by 12. This is 1 by 12 divided by, this is 3 square. If we will be reversing the numbers, so it will become 2 by 3 to power square. Plus sign will be coming. Now again 1 by 12. If we want to again calculate, if we want to change the sign of division with multiplication, again we have to make it sign and then we have to reciprocate it. This is 9 by 4. This is 3 3s are, this is 3 4s are. It is coming out to be 3 by 16. As we have discussed in rational numbers, that if you want to change the sign of division into multiplication, reciprocate the denominator with numerator and numerator with denominator. 3 square is 9. That's why I have written 3 square as 9 and 2 square is 4 in the denominator. Okay, now we'll be moving to question number 6 bit 3. 6 bit 3. Now in the question it is given 1 by 2 to power minus 3 plus 1 by 3 to power minus 2. Overall power is minus 1 divided by 1 by 4 to power minus 1. So we can write directly as, if you want to make it plus, this can be written as 1 to power minus 3 divided by 2 to power minus 3. This can be written as 1 by 1 to power minus 2 divided by 3 to power minus 2. Overall power is minus 1. Again from here 1 by 4 to power minus 1, if we'll be taking it to numerator, so it will become plus 4 to power 1. So this is converted. Now this, if I'll be taking it to, we can directly make, this is of same pattern only, that 1 by 4 to power minus 1. If we want in the numerator it is 1 and in the denominator it is other number rather than 1. So we can, if we want to take it to numerator, so it will become plus. So we should have made in one step only, but I am explaining in 2 steps. So this is 2 to power 3 and this is 3 square is, if I will be taking it to numerator, it will become 3 square. Overall power is minus 1 divided by 4. 2 cube is 8, 8 plus 9. 8 plus 9 and overall power is minus 1. Divide if we want to change the sign, means the division, so numerator will become denominator and denominator will become numerator. So in the denominator nothing is given, means 1 is there. So 1 will become numerator and numerator will become denominator, 4 will become denominator. 8 plus 9 is 17, 17 to power minus 1 into 1 by 4. So it is 1 by 17 into 4, which is coming out to be 1 by 17 into 4 is 68. So this is the answer of question number 6. We'll be going to question number 7 bit 1. Okay. 7 bit 1 means 7 bit A. By what number should minus 3 by 4 be multiplied? Means we have to multiply minus 3 by 4 with a number so that the product becomes minus 2 by 3 to power minus 1. Means we have to take one number as x and we have to multiply it with minus 3 by 4 to power minus 1. So in the question it is given by what number. By what number means we'll be taking that number as x. Let the number multiplied be x. Number multiplied be x. By what number minus 3 by 4 be multiplied? Means we are multiplying with x with minus 3 by 4 to power minus 2. So that the products becomes means equal to sign. Equal to minus 2 by 3 to power minus 1. So we can write it as x. This is minus 3 to power minus 2 by 4 to power minus 2. And this is, we can directly reverse it, 3 by minus 2 to power 1. Reciprocate it. So x, that implies x into even power is there. So it will become x into, we can reciprocate it again. So this is 4 square by minus 3 square equal to 3 by minus 2 become minus 2. So again we can write, take x equal to 3 square is 9, which will be going to numerator. 9 by 2 into 4 square is 16. 16 will be coming in denominator. So 3 into 9 is 27. Minus 27, x is equal to minus 27 by 32. So this is question number 7 bit A. Now I will be going to question number 8. In the question number 8b, it is given, by what number should minus 6 by 5 be divided? By what number minus 6 by 5 be divided so that the quotient is minus 3 by 5 to power minus 1. So that the quotient means this is the result which is coming out. By what number minus 6 by 5 be divided? So we will be taking by what number means let the number be x. So we are taking the number as x. Now the by what number it has to be divided. 6 by 5 to power minus 2 is divided. So according to question, we will be taking minus 6 by 5 to power minus 2 divided by x. By what number? Minus 6 by 5 is divided by what number? So to get means equal to sign, and then we'll be writing here 3 by 5 to power minus 1. So we are getting the equation. So we can write it as, again we can take 5 as numerator, 5 towards numerator. It will become 5 square by minus 6 square. We can change numerator as well as denominator. Minus sign will be removed by law. And again we can make, if we want to change division into multiplication. So in the denominator it is 1. So make denominator as numerator and numerator as denominator. So it will become 1 by x is equal to 3 by 5 to power minus 1. Again we can change. It will become 5 to power 1 by 3 to power 1. We can change according to law 2. A by a to power n minus n and b to power minus n will become b to power n divided by a to power n. So it is related to law 2. Now 5 square implies, again 5 square is 25. This is minus 6 square. As we know that even power of minus is there, means it will be converted into positive. It will become 36 into 1 by x equal to 5 by 3. We will be taking x to this side. 25, 3 will be coming in numerator, and 36 into 5 will be equal to x. 3, 12 and 5, 5. So x is coming out to be 5 by 12. So this is question number 8B. Now I'll be moving to question number 9, bit 2. Okay, 9 bit 2. In this, the question is given, find the value of x for which the condition is given to us. And this, find the value of x, and this is the exponential term. It is related, x is a relation in, it is given in the term of exponent. Now as we are able to see that base is same, we can add power. 3 to power 2x plus 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 to power 5. Now as base is same, comparing the powers as we are able to see, exponent we can say 2x plus 3 is equal to 5. So 2x is equal to 5 minus 3. As we are able to see, comparing base is same, means we'll be comparing the power. So power is basically 2x plus 3 is equal to 5. So x will be equal to 2 by 2, which is equal to, x is equal to 1. So we have got the value of x is equal to 1. Now we'll be moving to question number 9 bit 3. Okay, now again we have to find the value of x. Find the value of x for which this terms will be equal. So we have to find the value of x for which left side will be equal to right hand side. So again we are able to see that 3 by 4 is the base here, and here the base is 3 by 4. Power and power will be added. So 3 by 4 to power minus 5 plus of minus 6 will be equal to 3 by 4 to power minus 2x minus 3. Again we'll be seeing that 3 by 4 to power minus will become plus. Plus minus is minus. Again minus will become plus, but the sign will become minus 5 and minus 6 will become minus 11, and from here 3 by 4 to power minus 2x minus 3. Again we can compare powers, as the base is same, we can compare powers. Minus 11 is equal to minus 2x minus 3. We can take 2x to left side, it will become plus 2x. When we are taking to left side, it will become plus 11. When it will be going to right side, it will become plus 11 minus 3. 2x is equal to 8, x is equal to 8 by 2, which is equal to 4. So this is the answer of 9-bit 3. Now this chapter exponent and power has been completed. Now you have to complete all the questions related to it, and if you are having any doubt, please feel to ask in WhatsApp group. Okay, thank you.